Hi, my name is Dee. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use self-service procurement to review the life cycle of a requisition. We begin by navigating to the Purchase Requisitions work area. The Purchase Requisitions page lists all of the requisition tasks that you can perform. We'll select the Manage Requisitions link. I'll search for the requisition that I want to review. Here it is. Let's select it. We can use the Line Lifecycle icon to view the lifecycle information for each requisition line. For now, we will not view the line lifecycle since we want to view the lifecycle of the entire requisition. The Requisition Lifecycle page allows you to review the lifecycle of the requisition. You can view purchase orders and drill down into additional details by clicking on the order number. Likewise, you can view shipments and see details by clicking on the shipment number. And you can view receipts and receipt details, and invoices and invoice details. And we're done. Thank you for watching.